Hi, this is Steve, and welcome to another edition of the World of Global Equity Timing. Today, we're going to put it all together with the global equity timing technologies to show you how to take the maximum advantage of all the capabilities that are within global equity timing. So let's get right to the chart and take a look at a stock. We have here Amkor technology, AMKR, and I'm going to be talking about a lot of different things that exist within the global equity timing world. Our atom buy-sell engine, the atom price projector, atom trading ranges, trading atom with support and resistance, the WAM pattern, and ADA buy-sell analysis. That's quite a list of items, so let's take a look at it right now. Let's start with the atom buy-sell engine, and if you've watched any of our videos, you're probably already well familiar with that. But what the atom buy-sell engine does is it indicates points in a stock or a commodity when the stock is likely to move up in price. And you'll notice that we have several different signals on the chart. Buy signals, more buy signals, some sell signals indicating that the momentum of the stock is likely to be down and the stock is likely to go down. There are some false signals that don't work right there. Some buy signals that were timed beautifully and prices accelerated up by 50%. So that's what the atom buy-sell engine does. It tells us the most appropriate time to buy a stock or to sell a stock short. Atom price projector. Once we get an atom buy signal, we can always make a projection as to how high that stock is likely to go. And in this case, I've shown in the box here the area where the stock was likely to rally to from that original atom buy signal. Same thing on the short side. Over here, we have a short sell signal. Notice that the atom price projector says the bottom should be right here, and it might be not a bad idea to take some profits after you sold clear up here. Notice it was not perfect here. Prices continue to drift lower. Over here, we have another cluster of signals, and the atom price projector was up here. Notice that the actual price well overran the atom price projector clear up to here. Anything and everything is possible. What this atom price projector does tell us is that if a rally ensues, the most likely area where we should take profits is right here. Prices may overshoot, they may undershoot, but time and again, we've seen where prices actually stopped in this area. Not in this particular case, but in a fair number of cases, it does happen. That's the atom price projector. Atom trading ranges. Atom trading ranges are very powerful formations in that power is being created by a very narrow band of prices. And the atom price projector said this was a narrow band likely to lead to higher prices. What happened? It did. It wasn't the greatest move up, however. It got terminated very quickly. We got a sell signal. Moving over here, notice we had this another trading range, and another trading range was defined by the system, and a huge move occurred out of that trading range. Okay, that is the atom trading ranges. Let's look at atom plus support and resistance. Now, frequently we're going to find that atom buy signals or sell signals will occur in the vicinity or just above resistance. Notice that resistance was right here. Prices needed to move above this area in order to really break out. And notice the price did move above the high and kind of moved back into the zone, but didn't give up much from that prior high. It stayed right in that area. Notice at the same time we were getting 1, 2, 3 different atom buy signals, a cluster of buy signals right there, and prices exploded in combination with a trading range. So that is how you can use normal chart patterns such as support and resistance along with atom to help you make better selections to get the big profits like this one happened to be. Let's move on to the WAM pattern, and this relates to, as well, the ADA buy-sell analysis. What is ADA? It's Accumulation Distribution Alert Oscillator, and there you see it's an oscillator that goes across here. What we like to see, generally speaking, is long periods of positiveness in the oscillator to buy, long periods of negative ADA to sell. And notice I've labeled this long run of negative ADA right here, and you'll see that this sell signal here occurred after 36 bars of ADA being negative. Those signals tend to be the very best, and we actually did very well on that with a profit. Does it always work? Well, let's take a look over here. Here we had another signal, and that one failed. But overall, between these two signals, a net profit. Another pattern called WAM also uses this oscillator one more time, and in this case, the WAM is what we call the whack-a-mole pattern, and I also like to call it, like Pat Benatar used to sing, hit me with your best shot, which means that ADA dips to a particular strong negative level, but then even though that level is very, very negative, price immediately, or the ATOM buy-sell engine gives a buy signal. What's going on here? Well, there's a tremendous push of selling that really the stock is getting hit with its best shot by sellers, but it doesn't matter. All of a sudden, we generate a buy signal. And believe it or not, that's sort of like a counterintuitive, but it tells us when that happens that the stock is really oversold. It's been oversold. It's now, with the ADA buy engine saying, hey, it's tremendously oversold and we're getting a buy signal, you should go with it. And that's one of our very most successful patterns. You don't see it very often. In fact, in this entire chart of 300 days of market action, we only see that one time. So when we take a look at this entire chart, using the WAM pattern, which is part of the accumulation distribution alert oscillator, and the buy-sell analysis, we had one buy here that led to a profit into that zone. We had one sell here that led to a profit into that zone, and we had one trade that was a loss. So 2 out of 3 were profitable. That is pretty darn good in this business of stock trading. That's putting it all together with one particular stock. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the world of global equity timing. This is Steve saying good trading, good timing, and good day.